All right, so let's talk a little bit about the big affiliate marketing lie. But first, I'm making this from my balcony here. I'm living in the Philippines at the time I'm making with this video, so please excuse any kind of noise in the background. But anyways, the big affiliate marketing lie. Well, I'm not really saying there's a big lie out there, but it's more like a half truth. Now, but don't get me wrong, there's a lot of money that can be made in affiliate marketing. I personally know some people who've made millions of dollars in affiliate marketing, and other people make a decent income from it. But they're for beginners and newbies in affiliate marketing, just looking to get into affiliate marketing. They're being told, let's say, a half truth, not necessarily a lie, but it's more like a half truth. And what these beginners see is they see these different offers out there. For those who don't know what affiliate marketing is, you simply represent or you offer goods and services owned by other people. It could be a physical product, it could be a digital product, for a commission. And what affiliate marketers are presented are like an offer. And what new affiliate marketers look at, or seem to look at, what I did in my early years, almost 20 years ago, is look at the offer. The offer looks really good, and you'll see these maybe the advertisement on the website or whatever. You can make all this commission, you can make this, you can make that. So people will, okay, well, let me grab that offer because that looks like a good offer, and I'm going to make really good commissions. But what has turned out over the years, the internet and marketing has changed. Like anything else, what's worked in the past don't necessarily work now. And what I've found, you can give away, let's say, gold bars, and it would be hard to even sell or give away. I say should not sell, but let's say gold bars are hard to give away. You set up a website and said free gold bars, it's hard for people to even believe it or even would accept it. So what I'm getting at is a lot of marketers look at the offer and they're going to go with it, but they don't realize simply posting on social media or spamming their affiliate link all over the place, or maybe buying solo ads, hoping to get some email traffic to their offer to where they're going to make some money, doesn't really work anymore. Years ago, solo ads used to work. You could send out maybe 500, 600, 1,000 solo ads, and you could get some sales. Now the solo ads don't really work. It's good for building your list, but you're not going to really make any sales. You might get lucky and make a sale or two on solo ads, but it was luck, and you can't really ramp up luck. There's not really a formula you can ramp up, and generally you lose money with solo ads. And same thing with social media. If you go on these social media websites, one has initials FB as in boy. People post their affiliate links all over there. They just spam them all over, and there's no way you're going to make any money on these social media websites by just simply spamming or having like a FB page. You're just one of millions of people, and you might get lucky and someone stumbles across what you have and they might buy one of your offers, but you really can't ramp it up. You can't turn it up. You can't spam more on these social websites because they'll ban you for one reason, or they'll shut down your ad account. So how do you really make money in affiliate marketing if solo ads don't really work like they used to, or you can't go to social media? Generally what is being done now is what they call is through a home on the internet. You build yourself a home on the internet, kind of like your own personal website, but it's more than a website. It's not just a funnel. Some people call it a hub, some people call it a website, but in this hub or website or incubator, what you could call it, you can plug in your funnels, you can plug in your links, and also you can have a blog on there. There's a place where you can invite people to your Facebook page. It's a place to cultivate and build an audience and a following. That seems to be where everybody is moving online. People like to follow and go to groups and to like homes on the internet. If you're just a marketer out there simply spamming on these social medias or sending out solo ads, it's not going to work. Now, this video isn't really a tutorial on how to set up your home on the internet or how to start making sales online, other than doing spamming on social media and using solo ads. This is not really a tutorial website. It's more like a heads up. So if you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, be very careful Don't go into something saying this looks like really good, this shiny object is really shiny and beautiful and I like it. I'm just going to start spamming my link on social media, or maybe I want to spend hundreds of dollars on solo ads. That's not really going to work. If you want to buy solo ads and beginning to build your list to remarket to, that's what you will do. But you're not really going to make any sales on solo ads up front. People don't really do at all with solo ads. So if you're just getting into affiliate marketing, you're going to have to go about it a little different than what you're being told. Just market on solo ads or go on to social media. You're going to have to do a little bit different. There's probably some links below, depending on where you see my video. I'll have some links below to some resources and some free training and how you can set up your own online affiliate marketing business the right way and how to actually get things to convert, for you're not losing money and getting burned. So basically that's it. It's just more, this video is more like a heads up. It's about the half truths, or actually kind of like a lie a lot of affiliate marketers are being told online. And especially if you've been in affiliate marketing and you're frustrated and you're overwhelmed, it just isn't working. It's not because of what you're offering is wrong. It's the way to market has changed. Simply doing solo ads or posting online or whatever, it doesn't really work and doesn't really convert. Let's say if you do some solo ads, a couple hundred solo ads, when people see your offer in their email, they very rarely buy. People don't really buy usually on the first visit, and you're just doing solo ads directly to your affiliate link. There's no way you can remarket to these people. They're gone forever. They'll click on your email, look at your offer, and they'll go away. Most people will go away and won't return. So you have to have a way to capture their emails and a website to bring them back to, and then you can remarket to them and get them warmed up and get to know more about you or more about your offer, and then you can start getting better conversions than just relying on spamming on social media or solo ads. So that's it, and I'll see you on my video next.